Good morning, my love. Welcome to a guided meditation by Lavendaire. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate and start your day with positive intention. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and rest your hands on your knees with your palms facing up. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth exhale. Now, take a moment for gratitude. Focus on what you have to be grateful for today. Take another deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathe in and imagine positive light energy coming into your body through the top of your head. As you breathe out, imagine that positive energy flowing through your body all the way down your limbs and pushing old, stagnant energy out through the tips of your toes. Breathe in positive, loving energy. And breathe out and let that positive energy flow through you, washing away any negative thoughts, energy, and emotions that aren't serving you. Continue this visualization for a few more deep breaths. With this, you're giving yourself an energetic cleanse to begin your day with high vibrational energy. Being intentional with your energy and learning to cultivate it is a valuable skill that can change the trajectory of your day and, in time, the trajectory of your life. Today is a new day, a beautiful day, with new possibilities and opportunities coming your way. Yesterday is in the past, so you can let go of that now. Let go of anything from the past that weighs you down. Each day is a chance to start anew, so start today with a fresh mind and a light heart. You have the power to shape your day in any way you desire. All it takes is intention in every little choice you make. So use today to create a brighter future for yourself. I'll be sharing some positive affirmations for your day. Feel free to repeat along with me in your mind. I am worthy, I am enough. I love myself, I trust myself. I believe in myself and I'm fully confident in myself. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. Everything is happening for my greatest good. I am powerful, I am protected, I am guided. I am strong. I am brave. I am resilient. I choose love over fear. I am fully deserving of success and love. My life is abundant and full of joy. I am an artist of life. I have the power to create my dream life. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth. Exhale. You are now ready to begin your day as your highest self. Blink open your eyes and see the world around you with a fresh perspective. Have a beautiful day, sending you so much love. Namaste.